up on him arm.
This no more baby, a big man.
Sam to the baby. What's up, guys? So we are going road again. Who is that? Superman Samuel? You're a superhero? Yeah. What's your name?
Ryan.
You're Ryan? Yes, guys. Welcome to another video. Yeah, I know I look rough and thing. Need to go to barber. But I have to rust a little, is it? We'll make a quick run, go up on the road now. Hope you guys watched our baby shower video. And the fact that I mentioned baby shower, the baby is here. The baby is coming home today. We're not showing the baby face. Right? I don't know if the parents are going to be okay with that. I wouldn't normally show face an early point on it anyways. But guess what? We're running to the party store, right, Sammy?
Yeah, Party City.
Yeah, so we're going to Party City to get some balloons and whatever else we can get to just give them a nice little welcome home. And then you guys can be a part of that as well, okay? So we're going to head out on the road now and see what we can find in the store. And you guys just come along for the
Journey.
it took so long to say it, Samantha, man. Samuel, and come along for the when I whisper star. But anyways, guys, remember to like the video. And if you don't watch the baby shower video yet, pause this video, go watch it, come back and finish watch this video. Alright? Make the ads them play. Make sure you like the video. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. If you're subscribed and you don't turn on the post notification bell, now is the time. Thank you. See ya. Alright, so we're here. Look at us in the class. I'm going to want to hold hand. Yeah? Want to hold our hands? Where are you going? Into the party place? What do you want to buy? Something like them here, I think they're alright. Just one thing. Which way I'll put the banner? Alright guys, so we're in this party place for all the party needs. Yeah. I don't know. You already? Uh-huh. Something like the store? Where is it? Huh? What they have what? What is that? You want this? Where? Oh.
It's for a baby, right?
Yeah, she's coming home with the baby today.
So I do have that balloon because the only welcome home balloon I have has the stripes on it right here.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the one that people are looking at. Probably the welcome home. I don't know. It kind of tricky. And the balloons.
I want that
They're $1.50 piece.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to get some other balloons to go with the one that says welcome baby. That's been inflated right there. See?
You want what?
It's a boy or girl?
Boy.
So I'm gonna put blue screen.
Alright.
Because I don't have any.
Yeah, can get that was it's a boy. Probably 2. How much you add?
I don't know.
Take up what more of this.
And put that in?
No. You want that?
Wigs also for it.
All right. If you look right under register 1, you'll find them.
Oh, Sammy. Remember the stuff in him hand. Guys, you legit can find everything you want in the store. From cards to balloons, banners, plates. Hold on, let me just turn this around. Hold on. Yeah, balloons. You can get letters to make your signs. See? Enough things. Backdrop. You can get stuff personalized as well. And you have your weights here and stuff. Enough things there, people. So if you check out the party stores for boys, girls, mom, dad, birthday, Halloween, anything it is that you're thinking to see. Yeah. Theme parties, you name it, everything, even down to the napkins with a smile. That is so nice. So I'm paying for the stuff now, so we're just gonna finish. And here comes Samuel in his Batman, his Ryan outfit. Sam, okay? You get a puppet? You get a puppet? Alright, come.
Rainbow pop.
Oh, you get a dino like a rainbow puppet? Oh, you can't find a rainbow puppet, so you're buying a new one. You have money? Where's the money?
I got that.
Yeah, where's the money?
Mommy have it.
Mommy have the money. Mommy, you have the money?
No.
Mommy says she don't have no money.
You?
If I have money? No, my pockets are empty, so I guess you have to put those back.
No.
So how are you going to pay for it?
Here.
Okay.
Someone.
Balloons ready to go. Alright.
Yeah, you know, I'm the oldest. There we go.
Alright, thank
Thank
you.
you. Y'all enjoy your car.
Alright. Sam with the balloon and the party stuff. Having a party later? You have your liquor and your thing. Oh, sorry. Welcoming a baby. We need some milk. Samuel, let's go. You have your bag? What is in there? Let me see. You buy something for me? No? You buy something for you? Okay, okay. Alright, come, let's go. Let's go. Hurry up, hurry up. You say thank you? Okay. Come. Wait on me, Sam. Come this way. Go up. You can go in. Sit down. Huh? Alright, that's fine. You can sit. Sit. Welcome, Mr. Clark.
Ethan, you want to see what's in this?
Come up, Red Z. Get out the way, boy.
Ethan, you want to see what's in this? Eh? You want to see
Welcome.
You want to meet somebody?
Ethan, look on this.
Welcome back.
You want to see? You know what? What will be the
Yeah, I'll go back.
Oh, everybody excited. Oh. Ethan, you see your brother? Eh?
Listen, you can't violate me.
Eh? No, I'm not violate.
Baby.
Are you happy?
See the baby? See the baby? Better one come inside to feel one and sanitizer for me, please.
Happy man. Happy man. Dervin, come out there, we make happy man see him child, man.
Go, hey. You want to sleep, man? For the pin belly for you.
He's so quiet.
Yeah, you look at different. So what? You guys read in Jared, the kind thing on the
Watch you Ethan tear down a balloon.
anxious. And then who first reach outside? Me or barefoot?
No, me no, hold on. No, me
Touch my grandson.
Hello, there have been all mommy over the anxious.
Come, touch.
yeah, look on him arm.
This is my baby, a big man.
Sam, see the baby?
Baby?
I say Oliver, best gift I can ever ask for, eh?
Oh my God, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Baby? Nice grandson, man.
Sam, you excited? Oh, here Bella. Here Bella excited.
Better one come inside enough. Kiss the baby.